As a project manager, your sphere of influence within an industry can have a significant impact on the success of your projects and the organization you work for. It is important for you to understand and manage this sphere of influence in order to effectively navigate the competitive landscape of your industry and achieve your goals. One aspect of your sphere of influence within an industry is your knowledge and expertise. As a project manager, you're responsible for leading and managing projects, which requires a deep understanding of your field and the latest best practices and technologies. By staying up to date on industry trends and developments, you can position yourself as a thought leader and trusted advisor to your team, your organization, and your clients. Another aspect of your sphere of influence within an industry is your network of contacts and relationships. As you work on projects and interact with clients and partners, you have the opportunity to build a wide range of connections and relationships. These relationships can be valuable resource for finding new business opportunities, gathering insights and intelligence, and staying informed about industry developments. In addition to your knowledge and expertise and your network of contacts and relationships, your sphere of influence within an industry may also include your ability to influence industry standards and practices. By participating in industry associations and organizations and advocating for best practices and policies that align with your values and goals, you can contribute to the direction and evolution of your industry. Overall, the sphere of influence of a project manager within an industry is multifaceted and dynamic aspect of their role. By understanding and managing this sphere of influence, project managers can effectively lead and manage their projects and contribute to the success of their organization and industry. See you in the next lecture.